Hi, my name's Tim Hill. I'm with the Office of Columbia River, Department of Ecology, and I want to share our latest web application with you. What it is an interactive map that allows you to look up water rights, certificates, etc., and find out all the information you might want to know about them. So let's get started. Here's the application's interface. As you can see on the right, we have a large map, or it's actually satellite imagery, which you can zoom in for detail. And there's another map overlaid over it that shows the whole state, and it helps you keep track of where you're at in the state when you're zoomed in. On the left, we have the navigation panel, which includes a number of search features. It also includes the ability to zoom in by address or location or coordinates. Okay, let's try a search. We'll start with name search. If you're looking for a person or an organization, let's just plug Chelan into it. Hit search. And you'll see that we get a couple of results down there at the bottom. Let's check Chelan City. Double click on it. And you'll see that we've zoomed in on their water right. That's their place of use, highlighted in yellow. And if you look over in the navigation menu, or on the left side, you'll see that we also have the quantities, the purpose, source, and other information there. We also have the various documents that are associated with it. So we can click on one of those. Let's do that. We'll click on let's click on the report of exam. And there it is. We have reports of exam, permits, applications, every document that's associated with the water right. Okay, now let's look at the zoom to location function. You can do it by county, city, watershed. Let's try city. Let's pick one out here. How about Brewster? There we go. As you can see, there's their place of use on the map. And if we use one of these tools up top, we can find out a little bit more by drawing something in the place of use. Okay. Sometimes this takes a while. There's a lot of data going over the lines. Okay. You see down there at the bottom we've got Brewster City. Let's click on it. And we have all the information. We've got the place of use. And on the left we have the quantities, purpose, source, etc. And the image documents. We can also search by township, range, and section. Take a look here. Plug in the info that we need. '27 North. '23 East. Section 29. Hit zoom, and there's the section. Okay, we can use the tools to find one of the water rights there, or find a number of them. See which one we want to look at. There we go. We've got Chelan County PUD. Let's take a look at that. Click on it. You can see its place of use there, and all the information that you'd like to know. We can also look at the well information on this one. Takes you to our well logs. And there's the well report. Here are a few other ways to search. You can search by coordinates if you know the longitude and latitude. Or you can zoom to address. There's a problem with this one though in that often people put their business or home address on the applications, so it'll be a different location than the actual water right. It's probably better to use some of the other searches. This works well for some of them. Finally, let's take a look at how to use the map to find a water right. First thing you need to do is center the area that you want to look at so that you can zoom in on it. So we'll use this tool with the hand icon on it to move the map around and get it centered over the area I want to inspect. Then we'll use this slider to increase the zoom. Get back over by the river here. And then we'll use one of the three selection tools that we have right up there. The first one's a box, so you can just drag it and create a rectangle. The second one's a polygon for various shapes, and the third one's a radius tool. We'll choose the box. Just go down there and we'll drag out a small box over an area. Wait for the data. Oh, I'm getting a message that I selected one that has a large geographic region to it. So I probably caught part of the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation's water right, which is much of the Columbia Basin. So, but I've probably caught others with it. Let's take a look. Yeah, I've got Richland City down there, it looks like. Let's click on it. There we go. There's Richland. And there's the information about it. You can use the other tools in the same way. It's just different shapes. And there are a number of water rights on there. And yeah, I was right. The U.S. Bureau of Reclamation is one of them. That was one that was too large. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this application and that it works well for you.